They say autumn is the season when gardens start to fade. But what if I told you there's a secret list of fall flowers and plants that not only survive, but thrive? And some even bloom right into winter. Stick with me, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you see your garden forever. Mums are the classic sign of fall, those layered petals bursting in fiery yellows, deep reds, and warm oranges. But here's the thing, if you give them well-drained soil, full sunlight, and steady watering, they'll keep blooming beautifully in both your garden and containers till the season ends. Goldenrod paints the autumn landscape with golden yellow plumes. You've probably seen it along roadsides, but in a pot at home it becomes a showstopper. It's drought tolerant once settled, so you'll enjoy that golden glow without constant fuss. Stonecrop is a hardy succulent that holds on to color long after most plants have given up. With star-shaped flowers in yellow, pink, or red, it laughs in the face of cold weather and will still look alive and bright even when frost starts creeping in. Toad Lily might be the best-kept secret of shady gardens. It blooms in fall with delicate orchid-like speckled flowers in purple or blue. It's perfect for low light, and its arching stems create an unexpected elegance. Don't let the name scare you. Sneezeweed won't make you sneeze. Instead, it gives you clusters of daisy-like blooms in shades of yellow, orange, and red, lasting well into the cooler months. Regular watering is all it asks for in return. Clematis brings climbing beauty to fall gardens. With large, bold flowers in pink, purple, red, and white, it can bloom late into the season, give it sun, moisture, and keep the roots shaded, and it will reward you with dramatic displays. Bluebeard is like a deep blue jewel for your fall garden. Its aromatic leaves and nectar-rich flowers make it irresistible to pollinators, and it stays drought-tolerant, perfect for low-maintenance beauty. Pansies are small but mighty, with their velvety petals and faces in purple, yellow, blue, and more. They bring life to any container or bed in fall. Give them sun, good soil, and they'll return the favor with continuous blooms. Black-eyed Susan stands tall with its golden petals and dark centers, blooming until October ends, hardy, cheerful, and drought-tolerant. It's one of the most reliable fall stars. Aster is a pollinator magnet with delicate petals in blue, purple, pink, or white. Blooming late into the season, it adds a soft but striking texture to your garden when many plants are already gone. Million bells trail gracefully from pots, bursting with tiny, vibrant bell-shaped blooms from spring until the first frost. They thrive in sun or partial shade and ask for very little care. Coneflowers' spiky daisy-like blooms in pink, purple, and white are a fall favorite. Tough, drought-tolerant, and even valued for their medicinal uses, they're a must-have for a wild yet vibrant autumn garden. Oxalis is an elegant choice with clover-shaped leaves and delicate flowers in shades of pink or pale blue. It thrives indoors or outdoors in bright indirect light and pairs striking foliage with soft blooms. Coral bells may surprise you, grown mostly for their colorful foliage in purple, bronze, and red. They also produce delicate flowers in fall. They're perfect for shaded spots where other plants struggle. Marigolds are the ultimate pest-fighting flowers. Their bright yellow and orange blooms last from spring through fall, and they even help protect other plants from pests like aphids and nematodes. Coleus doesn't rely on flowers to turn heads. Its leaves come patterned in red, yellow, green, and purple, making it a vibrant filler for gardens and containers. Keep it sheltered from frost and it will stay dazzling. These aren't just plants, they're the survivors, the fighters, and the color bearers of autumn. Bring them into your garden and you'll have blooms when others have nothing but bare stems. If you found even one plant here that made you think, I need this, then like this video, subscribe, and let's grow something unforgettable together.